Welcome back, healthy people. And if you're new here, we are thrilled that you found our channel. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more amazing natural remedies designed to elevate your life. In this video, we'll be giving you the recipe to a powerful homemade repellent to keep those pesky flies from invading your home. Let's be honest, no one loves to see flies buzzing around their house. Not only can they be a nuisance to live with, but they're also unhygienic and are known to carry a range of diseases along with them, including cholera, typhoid, and dysentery. Getting rid of flies from your home is a great way to promote household health, which is why today we're going to give you the #1 recipe you'd wish you'd known sooner. This repellent is quick and simple to make and uses ingredients which may already be in your home, and if not, they are super common in any grocery store. For this recipe, all you'll need are some cloves, lemon juice, witch hazel or vodka would do, water, and a spray bottle. Simple, right? Cloves have a strong, pungent scent that is unpleasant to flies. The scent of cloves in this spray will help mask the attractants that draw flies to your home, making it less appealing to them. In addition to smelling unpleasant, cloves even have insecticidal properties, making them even more efficient at repelling flies. Lemon juice has a strong citrus scent that is also unpleasant to flies. The acidic nature of the lemon juice can also help dissolve and remove any residue left by flies, such as feces or food particles. Witch hazel and vodka are both astringents, meaning they help to dry out and kill flies by dehydrating them. They also help the spray stick to surfaces, so it can be effective for longer periods of time. To make this spray, you'll need 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of whole cloves, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of witch hazel or vodka, and a spray bottle. In a pot, bring 2 cups of water and 1/4 cup of whole cloves to a boil. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Then remove the pot from the heat and let it cool completely. Strain the mixture into a bowl and discard the cloves. Add 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of witch hazel or vodka to the strained mixture. Stir the mixture well and pour it into a spray bottle. Shake the bottle well before using and spray the mixture around windows, doors, and other areas where flies are a problem. This homemade fly repellent spray can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. With this powerful concoction, you can say goodbye to those annoying flies once and for all. So go ahead and give it a try. Your home will thank you for it. Thank you for watching, and remember, live healthy, live happy, and know that you are appreciated. Until next time.